What's up, Lit Squad? It's your boy Johnny Lit. I'm back with another video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, drop that notification bell. Yeah, guys, you guys can tell by the thumbnail, y'all already know what we got going on today. For my followers, apologize for not posting as much, but don't worry, we back on it. So y'all gonna be getting some more content from me. Y'all already know we got the truck stuff going on. If you guys seen the previous videos, if not, just go back, look at the videos. Y'all should see we getting stuff lined up. I basically didn't want to do the build in winter time. I just wanted to like wait till springtime to start building on the truck or whatever. But you guys make sure you come along, because it's gonna be a lit journey, man. We're gonna be doing a lot of car stuff, be going to racetracks or whatever, man. Y'all let me know what type of vlogs you want to see from me, what you guys interested in. Y'all already know I got the Lit Squad on. I definitely got the merch if you guys are interested in buying that. You guys know, hit me up on Instagram, Johnny_lit_. But let me go ahead and flip around the camera, let you guys already know what's going on. We have Velasquez mufflers and brakes. Y'all already know I'm in the truck today. Over here, right next to me, this is what we got, man. Flowmaster. So y'all already know what's going on with that when y'all see that box. Right here, we got stainless steel polished dual tip. That's gonna be going on the pipe. I don't know if I showed you guys this already, but I had this for a while. Yep. So that's what that is. Might give it a better sound with it being a dual tip, and I think the tips are probably bigger than the stocks. These look like 3-inch tips almost. If not, it's probably like 2 1/4. And over here, I don't want to mess this up by saying the name of this, but we got Outlaw Muffler. That's what this is. This is an Outlaw Muffler. So let me show you guys what that looks like. It's just like a black steel almost, coated with a good coating, so it won't rust or whatever. Yep. So this is a new muffler that's going to be going on here. So, yep, basically, we came up here to get some exhaust work done, guys. Let me cut the truck off, because I want to show you guys, because it's really not going to be a cold start, but show you guys what the truck sounds like before we get it done, and then I'm going to show you guys what it sounds like after we get it done. But basically, what I was saying, we here to do some exhaust work today, as you guys can see. I was thinking about doing mid muffler delete on the truck, but I was like, nah. I started seeing some things online. I'm like, instead of doing a mid muffler delete, because you guys seen I did a mid muffler delete on my Charger, and Jazz did one on her Challenger. Sound pretty good though, not gonna lie. But this one, I want to go a different route to see how's the sound. Like, is it gonna be different? You know what I'm saying? Like, is it different with just adding a performance muffler instead of just cutting the mufflers off? So basically, I got a performance muffler. It's supposed to add a little horsepower, not too much. You know, it's just a exhaust system, so it's gonna add a little bit of horsepower. Add a deeper growl, a different sound. So we're gonna see how that works compared to the mid muffler delete or the stocks, you know. But right now, let me give you guys a little start up real quick, just to let you guys know what we sound like. Alright. Y'all hear that? Barely can probably hear it. It's very quiet. Y'all can probably hear the truck in the background more than this. Yeah, you can barely hear this. It's got a very quiet rumble to it. So we finna go ahead and go into Velasquez, man, get to talking with them, seeing what they got going on, seeing their availability. I'm here early. I'm pretty sure it's first come, first serve. So yeah, we go ahead and put the truck back on. I'll get back with you guys when we find something out, or if we get this done. So yeah, I'll be back with y'all in a minute. All right, Lit Squad, we back right now, man. So they definitely was able to fit me in the slot. Y'all already know how that come. Basically, first come, first serve. I just had to run to the ATM real quick, gas for cash, basically, because yeah, they credit card machine down, motherfucking debit card and shit. But yeah, price point, just to let you guys know, if you're thinking about doing this stuff, it's gonna be more money than a mid muffler delete. I know that. I'm like, man, might be cheaper than a mid muffler delete, but it's not, because I guess with the piping that they got to do some stuff to custom fit it or whatever to make sure that because I guess this piece is smaller than my muffler. They got to extend the pipe and run it a certain way. I said, okay, cool. I still want to get it done, so that's basically all that I have to do. I had to go run and get some cash real quick. That's it. Boom. So we on our way back as of right now, man. I'm finna pull up to a stop sign, so I'm gonna let you guys hear. I'm gonna roll my window down, let you guys hear what it sound like stock. Y'all probably might hear more wind than anything, but we gonna see. I'm gonna get a stop and roll to let y'all see what it's hitting on. Come on, man, y'all could go. All right, you looking crazy. Y'all probably don't even hear nothing. Yeah, it's very quiet, man. It's very quiet, but that's gonna change when we get this work done. I'm gonna do the same thing, let you guys hear what a stop and roll how it sounds with the new mufflers. But yeah, it's very quiet as of now. But I'll get back to you guys when we get back there and they get it done. I ain't gonna waste too much of y'all time. All right, guys, so basically this is the muffler. Like I said, he gotta cut this off and he's gonna run the new tip through there, basically, right? What you were saying? Right. Okay, cool. Yes, sir. So we're gonna eliminate this. We're gonna run it down. Nice rumble to it. And then, yep, nice rumble. This is a resonator right here. So that's coming off. It shouldn't throw nothing off with the check engine light. Boom. And then the tips are gonna be ran back there. So that's what we got going on, man. Y'all see how big this muffler is, though. And if you guys seen the little part I showed y'all. So, yep. I'm gonna let them get to it, man, and I'm gonna get back to y'all. Yeah. All right, guys. So they got the new muffler on there. Y'all see, got the piping work done. They ran this one where the resonator was at. Got that up out of there. We got the tips on there now. Looking good. Yes, sir. Gonna give you guys the sound in a second. Damn it, drop my fucking phone. Ain't that some bullshit? All right, y'all. Y'all see what's going on, man. We just got got that work done, man. Let me show y'all. Ooh. Hold on. I like the way them tips look, man. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Y'all see what it say on there. Flowmaster, man. Flowmaster. Drop my fucking phone, man. And I'm gonna leave that in there, man. I ain't even gonna cut it. The bloopers and all. Let's go ahead and get that cold start. Well, this ain't no cold start, but let's see. Ooh. Y'all hear that, boy? Y'all heard that growl. Y'all hear it. You hear that boy barking. I'm gonna go ahead and get in there. Hold on, we got my old stuff in the back. Yes, sir. I'm thirsty. I'm thirsty, y'all. I want to see what it sounds like. I'm thirsty. Alright. Hold on. Hold on. Dang. Oh, yeah. Let the window down. Yeah. Y'all heard that last standstill. It was like, we're gonna go ahead and come down here real quick. Yes, sir. Yeah, you can definitely hear the difference. I know it's real windy today, so yeah, that's gonna play a factor. It's real windy. Ooh. Yeah, I'm about to flip this UE, y'all. Hold on with me. Difference though. Yes, sir. I I'm satisfied with it, y'all. Y'all ain't got no complaints coming out of me. I'm happy. Y'all see what I did right there. So if you guys want to get something like this done, I recommend you guys do it. Go ahead and get that mid muffler deleted if y'all want to, or replace the pipe, whatever. Make it have a better little aggressive sound, you know what I'm saying? Sounds good. I'm highly satisfied. I'm like a kid in the candy shop right now. I'm finna ride around and enjoy my truck, man. I ain't gonna take up too much of you guys' time. I will see you guys in the next video, and whatever else adventure we got going on. Y'all like, comment, subscribe, and y'all let me know what y'all want to see next, man. Johnny lit out. Appreciate y'all for watching.